Grace. Just taking Grace and Raven to go put them in the hot fence, the electric fence, whatever you want to call it. I have to take them all the way around because our yard is still got water line trenches everywhere. These girls are hungry, so we'll turn them loose. Probably expand this wire a bit today as well. So this is why I had to go all the way around, is because usually I would come through here, but currently we're still burying power line right now. The water line is already partially buried. We just laid the power line, and so I had to go all the way around. That's okay. So the horses are enjoying some dewy grass this morning. Keep in mind when I tell you that baler twine is useful for everything, I just looped it through his collar. Now I have a leash. Not exactly the most comfortable, but hey, it's disposable. Hey guys. Alright, well, Duke and Jazzy are gonna go to my parents because they've got some extra pasture, and I figured while I'm dropping off my kids, I've got the horse trailer on anyways because I'm gonna be using Grace for a cattle drive, so I figured I would just fill up the trailer and take these guys with me. These, believe it or not, are the horses that are hard to catch. And thankfully, they were very responsive today. All of our work has definitely paid off. This dude does not know how to walk behind me. That is an area of work. Yes, he got the pink halter because pink can be manly too, right? So, anyways, I'm gonna try to pop these guys in the trailer and then grab Grace and load her up as well. They're running out of feed in our back pasture, or bush if you will, and so I don't want to feed them hay yet. So we've been doing the electric fence thing, and we can't do that for everybody, so a few of them are going to go to my parents to enjoy the pasture over there. Bada bing, bada boom. Bringing 3. 2 are going to Grandma and Grandpa's house. All right.